The Rexing V33-2K Dash Cam offers a comprehensive tri-camera system, recording in 2440 pixel resolution for both front, cabin, and rear views, ensuring total coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. Its sleek, low-profile design allows for discreet installation, blending seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, while taking up minimal space on the windshield. The dash cam excels in low-light situations with its super night vision, using wide dynamic range technology to capture clear footage even in the darkest conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features enhance convenience by allowing easy access to footage via your phone and logging vehicle speed and location with Google Maps integration. A durable supercapacitor powers the device, providing a wide operating temperature range, while the parking monitor feature ensures the camera is alert to motion even when the car is off. The G-sensor and loop recording functionalities automatically lock crucial footage during incidents and ensure continuous recording by overwriting older unlocked videos.